Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon everybody. My name is Syahlindri Ahdiatma, NRP 2018-23552. And I am here to fulfill our final exam score to College I International Politics about Indonesia in dynamic of international politics in the middle of pandemic COVID-19. Coronavirus started in Indonesia on early March. There are 2 positive cases in Indonesia. Start with 2 cases, now thousands of cases in Indonesia. The government has appealed to prevent coronavirus transmission. That is, wash your hands with soap, wearing a mask, social distancing, avoid the crowded, and others. Because coronavirus in Indonesia, the government issues policy. The policy is PSBB. What is PSBB? PSBB is large-scale social restriction. A certain activity of residents in an area suspect of being infected by coronavirus in such a way as to prevent possible spread. Limitation of activity on PSBB. First, close school and workplace. Second, restriction on religious activity. Third, limitation of activity in public place. Fourth, limitation of social and cultural activity. Fifth, limitation of transportation mode. Sixth, limitation of other activities specially related to defense and security aspects. I use the theory of liberalism because I see Indonesia cooperating with other countries. The cooperation is trade, export and import, and investment. The first is Indonesia and Singapore. Indonesia and Singapore have close geographical conditions. Singapore helped Indonesia in dealing with the coronavirus. Singapore provides 3 million masks to Riau Island, TNI, and the National Police. And Indonesia sent 25,000 beds to coronavirus isolation patients in Singapore. The next is Indonesia and ASEAN. Indonesia and ASEAN countries agreed to strengthen cooperation about COVID-19. That is, information exchange, test practice, research development, and others. ASEAN leaders also support the reallocation of ASEAN Trust Fund to handle COVID-19. The last is Indonesia and South Korea. Indonesia and South Korea have relationship is very good, especially business, trade, and tourism. Indonesia has always been a supplier of raw material for South Korea. During this pandemic, South Korea helped Indonesia, that is 500,000 USD, which is test kit and battery power sprayers. And South Korea private companies such as LG and Hyundai help Indonesia too, that is 40,000 APD to Indonesia. So, the behavior of Indonesia during the pandemic COVID-19 very dynamic because Indonesia have a cooperation with other countries to handle this pandemic. Indonesia got a benefit from other countries. The example is 1,000 APD from South Korea and million masks from Singapore. Okay guys, I think this is enough. Thank you for watching. See you.